Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, we're going to go over some phrasal verbs that are commonly used in daily speech. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First, to come around to. To come around to means to change an opinion and start agreeing with something. In a sentence, at first he said no, but he came around to the idea. Next, to get across. To get across means to successfully communicate an idea so others understand it. In a sentence, the teacher used pictures to get his point across. To get across also means to physically cross or move to the other side. In a sentence, it took us an hour to get across the city because of the traffic. Next, to show off. To show off means to display something proudly to impress others. In a sentence, he showed off his new car to all his friends. To show off also means to display a skill or talent. In a sentence, she showed off her dance moves at the party. Next, to count on. To count on means to rely or depend on someone or something. In a sentence, you can always count on your best friend to help you. To count on also means to expect something to happen. In a sentence, we are counting on good weather for the picnic tomorrow. And last, to come between. To come between means to cause a problem or conflict in a relationship between two people. In a sentence, money problems started to come between the two brothers. Alright friends, there we have it. We've covered some really useful phrasal verbs today, and I hope everything made sense. Don't forget to check out the file linked in the description because I've also included some exercises to help you practice, so you can start using these phrasal verbs effortlessly and actually remember them longer. Okay, bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.